Hey, all right, all right. What's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. We are live. We are live for channel members, and we are live for university students. My name is Jeff, as y'all know, and we're day trading the S&P 500. You can do that in the futures, SPX, SPY, all that good stuff. Sit back, relax. About 8:25 in the morning. Let me go ahead and start letting our university students in to the private WebEx. And let's get to work. Hopefully y'all's weekend was good. Let me scroll this across the screen. Okay, because we're live, and then it goes public later. So it's always live for members and students. It's important because if you're going to day trade right now, we do it live. So by the time you're watching this, you might be watching this a couple hours afterwards. So if you want to join us, it should be scrolling right down below, right? Check in the description. I'll let that run until the market opens. So here we go. Market opens up in about 4 minutes. S&P's up 17. As far as news items, looks like we're okay. Doesn't look like there's any news item that should mess up the day. Let's get to work. All right, sit back, relax, wait. Futures are looking, good, decent, I guess. We got NASDAQ up right now. Dow Jones is down a little bit. S&P's up 16. So, it's flat. Gold's down, silver's down. Oil's down the most right now. So, again, nothing's jumping out at me. Banks are closed today. I think the Treasury market's closed. So who knows, right? I don't know if we're going to get much action, but we'll have to wait and see. We take advantage of what we got. That's the way it is, my friends. That's the way it is. All right. So this is what we do every day. Right, y'all know. We day trade for a good solid hour, 15 minutes, hour, 30 minutes every day. Then we jump into option swing trading. Okay, I wake up early. I do all my crypto stuff early, like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. And then now once the stock market opens up, I'm really lasered in on the stock market. We day trade just the S&P 500, all right? Just the S&P 500. That's what we've been day trading for the last 5 years. And then I've been option swing trading. 17. All right. See what happens. Get your coffee. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh, should be good. 2 minutes. Let me kind of pull this off over the side. I got multiple windows and screens, so I'm going to be looking at our private chat group going on here. A couple people out today. Roy, hopefully your surgery goes well, my friend. There we go. see what we can do today. Market opens up in about 1 minute. Get ready. 1 minute. Get ready. What's going on, Brandon? What's up, Brandon? What's up, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's happening, my friend? What's happening?
Just looking forward to another good week.
Me too, my brother. Me too, my friend.
Oh, I wanted to explain something from last week, too. The reason I have it on TradingView is I get the notices on my Apple Watch, so if I'm not at my computer, I still know when it crosses.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's a little bit way high-tech for me. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense, for sure, brother. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, guys. Good morning. How's everybody doing?
Everybody, well, we're doing good. Ready to rock and roll. Let's see if the market gives us any action this week, but ready to do well, my friend. Ready to do well.
Right there with you, man.
I like it.
We'll make some good trades.
Yeah, I agree with you, brother. I agree with you. And yes, sir, Brandon. Good morning, brother. All right, here we go. Markets opened up. Let's sit back, relax, give it 3 minutes. We got a lot of stuff we're going to be doing, right? We got a lot of new kind of methodologies. So we should have good action every day. All right. If you have any questions, obviously just type them in our WebEx. I know y'all are good. Y'all come in here all the time. But if you do, type it in. And John, yeah, that explains the trading view. I would do it too, right? If I could get alerts on my Apple Watch, I guess. I don't have an Apple Watch, but I don't even have an iPhone. Mine's Android. Everybody's like, get an Apple, get an Apple. I'm good. All right, market's at 15. There's no big news announcements today, so we should be okay. Let me stop scrolling that. Get some more room. There we go. If you have any questions, type them in. Let's do it. Ticks are down a little bit. Remember here, first 15 minutes, we are only allowed the advanced method. That's it. Okay. There's only 2 potential setups. So first 15 minutes is always tricky. A lot of traps, a lot of fake outs. So we got to be careful. Got to be careful. I'm not shooting for many points. I'm only shooting for a couple of points when it comes to this advanced. But if we get it, go for it. Got about a minute and a half left in that candle. Oh, there it is. I was like, where's the VIX? Cool. Ticks are down. So here is, okay, I am going to look to go short right this second, okay? So let me get it set up on the active trader platform, thinkorswim. I'm going to be looking at the 80s right now. Probably the 80s, yeah. I'll leave it at the 80s. And we got the active trader. Bam. There we go. All right. I'm going to go ahead and mark this low. Let's get this bad boy rolling here. 73. I don't know how much action we're going to have today with banks being closed. But we'll see, right? I don't ever anticipate and just pretend that I know anything, right? We just trade as is. Whatever it gives us, we go for it. All right, let's mark the high, 78. I'm not going to go long. I'm not going long. If you have any questions on what we're doing, type them in. We are breaking through a key level right now, 78. But I'm not going long. Now, we are going to change up a little bit of what we talked about on Friday. So I'll be talking out loud. Don't worry. What's going on, Mark?
Good morning, everybody.
What's up, my man? What's up? So we are going to change it up. Not change it up, but we're going to, when it comes to the aggressive, we're going to do what we talked about on Friday. That was a big move. And I'm going to have a good week. Just trade well, right? When nobody has a crystal ball, just focus on your plan. That's all you can do all week. So the ticks are picking up a little bit. Okay, so we popped through here. But again, I'm not looking to go long. My signal was invalidated. Actually, it was, but remember, all you can do is look at the clues. We don't look at a lot. So in the members area, again, I know you guys all are here, but just making sure we're here. You know, it's kind of one of those things that I repeat. First video lesson inside the course is setting up your charts. There's the code to paste our exact workspace in thinkorswim. Make sure you do it. You get the code as well that draws the key levels and all that stuff, right? It draws. Oops. I'm surprised I didn't draw that key level yet. Maybe it draws it here in just a second. That's weird. I'm going to be watching. And it's going up right now. No problem. Watching for that key level. Where's it at? Maybe it waits till 36 to draw. Huh. Moving up nice, but look at these ticks. They're not giving away. They're not budging, right? They're not budging. Let's see if this draws here in just a second. There it is. I was like, wow, that was wild. All right. So I guess it waits till 6 after.
I was going to say mine wasn't drawn in either.
I know. I was like, what's going on there? What's happening? Yeah, I guess I'd normally just draw them. There it is. It drew them in, though. We're good. Okay. Again, I know there's going to be a lot of action, so just no hurry. No hurry. We did pop through that 78 level. But again, these ticks are not budging. Okay. This will not sustain any momentum in either direction without the cooperation of the ticks. I don't even know why I drew that a minute ago. Go ahead and erase that key level. I'm not even really sure why I did that. I guess it's Monday, man. Wow. Erase that key level. It's too early to draw that one. So we did pop up through 78, markets up 23. Dow Jones is down 120. See, that's what's interesting. S&P's up, but NASDAQ's up. Everything else is down. Dow Jones is actually down 120. But again, today might be a wacky day. Banks are closed. I think that's what Charles said. Banks are closed. If we get an opportunity, we will take it. Period, right? Lots of things, man. We've got the advanced, the basic, the aggressive, and the scalping, right? So we got a lot of things that we're going to be talking about. Lots of styles. But right now, in the first 15 minutes, we're only allowed the advanced. Okay, there was a pop up through here, but I didn't take it because I did not have my, not just my entry, but I didn't see these candles, right? Just even though it was popping up through, I didn't see that there was going to sustain that momentum, so I didn't take it. Follow a very specific set of rules, right? Brandon, Jeff, John, Mark, y'all know that. Now, y'all can take my rules and adopt them to your own. All I'm doing is trading my rules and teaching my rules. You know, you can take that, build it upon what you do, but we have a lot of opportunities. So, I mean, I don't really think you need to build it too much. We have a lot of opportunities now. $86.50. And the ticks are still negative. Even though the market's up 23, it's surprising me these ticks are negative. I'm going to go ahead and just clear this active trader out because, I mean, we're a ways to go up here. So but we did pop, but we didn't take it for a very specific reason. Let me type it in the chat. I'm always going to be typing in our WebEx. That's why, okay? Plus, the signal was invalidated. This is only the advanced. If you do not trade the advanced, you don't trade until 15 minutes after the market opens. You don't even care what happens right now. But when the 15-minute opens, we really start expanding. One of the things that we talked about last week was you've got the advanced and you've got the basic. Don't do both. Pick one and master that. Okay, I'm focusing 100% on the advanced because, again, the basic, it's easier, but there's pros and cons, and I just like the advanced better. Now, I am going to be doing the aggressive. That's one of my primary things that I'm working on, as well as the scalping. That's new. That's a quick trade. So this week, I really want to zone in and perfect that one as well. So let's see. 10/14. When is the presidential election? That's coming up. I was thinking about that because of crypto. If Donald Trump wins, we're going to have a massive, massive crypto run between the end of the year and 2025. If he loses, plan for another 4 years of the crypto market to do nothing. It's so important. If he wins, we got it. 2025 will be the most incredible year for crypto if Donald Trump wins. If he doesn't, god damn it, dude. We're going to have another 4 years of just absolutely nothing in the crypto market. Probably go down even. All right, so not much happening yet. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, and I did change it to 3 minutes already. Let's go ahead and mark this low. Start marking up the VIX. 2032. Still got a couple minutes. I might wait on this key level here, but that's the only one I'm marking right now. Now let's go ahead and I'll double up down here at the bottom. Double up at the 73 level. Double up. All right, cool. The rest, we wait. We still got 2 minutes left here in this 15 minutes. So what you do right now is you back off and you just wait. Let these candles shake out. Market's up 25, not a problem. Dow Jones still negative, climbing a little bit, still negative. Moving up, that's fine. No hurry. We got lots of opportunities. All you can do is follow your plan. And remember, nobody has a crystal ball. When you take your trade, the only thing you need to focus on is managing the trade. You have no idea if it's going to win, no idea if it's going to lose. But what you can do is when you're in the trade, you focus on managing your plan, period. And if you lose, you don't beat yourself up because you don't know what's going to happen anyway. If you did, you would only take the winners. Live and die by that concept. Nobody has a crystal ball. Okay? A lot of traders beat themselves up. Y'all know that. They lose, they beat themselves up. Don't. Beat yourself up if you're breaking your rules. Then that's your fault. 1 minute. 1 minute to go. Looks like I'm going to go ahead and mark this high. So here's going to be our first ranges in the VIX. Ticks have now picked up. Okay. I'm not going to mark this high yet because we still can move up, but I am going to be looking to go long. I'm going to be looking to go long. I'll be looking at those 83s. 83s. Okay. Options, SPX 83s. And it's looking like I'm going to be focusing on the advanced. Remember what? We are going to do what we talked about last week as well. But it's looking like the advanced is going to be my first opportunity. 87.50 market. 87.50 market. All right, there you go. There's our levels. I'm going to be looking to go long. I'm going to pop up through here. Again, assuming that everything falls in a line, okay? So we'll call it as it's happening, but just look at your clues. Y'all know what to do. If you don't, let me know. Let me know. Okay, let's watch this pop. Okay, I'm going to zoom into the 1 minute chart because with the aggressive, I used 2 1 minute charts. Y'all know this. All right, let's go ahead and mark this line. I'm going to mark it at 89 right there. Okay, it's invalidated. Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take this long. Now we wait. Again, we've got scalping techniques. Right now, we're going to back off on the aggressive. The advanced, we had an invalidation signal, so we don't take it. Very specific. We're going to do good. We don't care if it runs. We don't care what else. It doesn't matter. You focus on your plan. Okay? Your plan. Don't worry about what anybody else is doing. Your plan. Again, I did not get my signal, which means I don't trust this breakout. I'm going to go ahead and delete that line. We got lots of time. See how it's selling off. I don't trust it. I'm constantly looking around at all the clues, but I do like that the ticks are picking up. So momentum is coming in. We want to kind of get in this range. Charles went long 84, which again, that's way back in here. Unless you understand what Charles is doing, you cannot follow Charles. Because right now the price is at 90. You can't just jump in when he went long at 84. You would have to have went long at 84. Okay? Charles is a legend. His system is complex. I'm going to go ahead and erase that line. It should draw, and once there it is, bam. See how it drew it automatically? I like it. Perfect. Just making sure it's working. All right, so we did break out. So what I'm going to be looking for is that setup number 2 on the advanced, okay? So that's fine. I'm going to be looking to go long. I've also got, I'm watching for the scalping, which I wasn't even paying attention right now. But the scalping method, it was activated, but it didn't materialize. So I need to focus on that. Remember, we've got all sorts of methodologies. So I'll tell you if I'm going to get in via scalp, advanced, or aggressive. There was no basic entry either, for those of you doing that. I'm looking for number 2. The number 2 setup and advance. We have 4 setups. Y'all know we have a course that goes with this. I'm looking for number 2. All right. Number 2. That's it. Again, I don't know. I don't know the type of action. This may be all on like weak volume, right? Weekend. So, I mean, with the holiday, the VIX isn't doing much unless it gapped that I didn't see, It's fine. Ticks are picking up. Market's up 34. Dow Jones, 31. It's fought back a lot. It's still negative, but it's fight back. Russell 2000 went positive. That's good. Again, I'm looking for a number 2 setup. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. Then we're going to focus on the number 3. Okay. But I'm still willing to do the scalp. So I'll tell you when. And again, with the scalp, I'm going to be focusing because of what's newer. 1 contract only. And since we're within the 30 minutes, I'll be going just for probably 10 points. It's kind of grinding its way up. Market's up 36. Again, just not yet. So I'm looking for that scalp. Remember, we have a, it has to get activated, right? Y'all know what that is. If not, let me know. Just kind of not doing much, right? No hurry. We have plenty of time. Just takes one good pop to make it, right? It doesn't take a lot to make a full-time income. And the more we test some of these new methodologies, the better handle we'll get. As of right this second, we have not taken a trade. This move, we just didn't get a signal. Ticks are positive, though. We are biased up. But look at the VIX. Interesting situation. This is, again, to me, this little move, I'm very suspect of this move. Even though we're up 33, just, I don't see it. I don't see this running right this second. My information says it might go down. Charles plus 20. Wow. Still suspect. Again, if you guys got anything to say, type it in our private WebEx, right? That's what it's there for. Type it in our group. If you're following Charles and you got questions on Charles's, type that in the group. Me, I'm still just waiting. But I understand Charles is a legend. Remember, Charles is a legend. But I'm still waiting. Ticks popped off, negative 211. See, there's just this move up is very suspect, right? This should have been up here, kind of just rocking. Very suspect. I mean, look at that. That's telling you this might roll over. And again, today might be whacked. Columbus Day. They're trying to change it to something called Indigenous Day. I don't know what the fuck that means, but I ain't never going to change it. It's fucking idiots. Yeah, we're just sitting here, right? Doesn't even look like that candle's moving. S&P's up 33. I'm just chilling right here, guys. Again, look at the information, right? We got an advanced, which we know what we're looking for. Setup number 3, period. The aggressive right now doesn't look like it's happening. I'm watching for a quick scalping method, but that has to happen soon because in a minute, Then we got to get set up for the 30-minute, because after that, everything really opens up, right? Just very simple. Keep your brain out of the equation. Know what you're going to do, right? Think like a master chess player. Several moves in advance, but then only trade based on market action. Okay? All right? Y'all know. Here we go. We're popping down a little bit. Late move, but we'll see. We'll see. Remember, when it comes to the aggressive now, I'm going to change it up a little bit. The same time is okay. Remember what we had last time? We were like, oh, we didn't take that trade. It was a big one. So we're going to now. We're going to now. I'm going to go ahead and type in our chat while I'm just watching. Okay. That's on the aggressive. On the basic, same thing for the basic. They just have to close, right? If you're doing that. One of my kids is off today, but the other kids have school. I don't get it. I don't understand how they have school, period. I was like, y'all don't have off today? What the hell? All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and triple up down here. I think that's going to hold. So that's going to be triple up. That's a very important area. The 73. Okay. So that's it. Only on. We'll see if those VIX levels holds too. I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to hit the button yet, but I'm going to go ahead and type the VIX in our WhatsApp group. Very important for people who are trading the way that I'm doing it. This is the most important thing, in my opinion. Okay. I'm not going to hit the button yet because it's not 9 o'clock, but just let it grind. Right now, you got to wait. Plenty of opportunity this week. Again, trade for your paycheck. Right? If you're looking to make a full-time income, you know, I don't know, maybe your income is $200 a day. I don't know. Whatever. That's what you're going for, right? If you get that, you're out. Trade for your paycheck. That's what Charles says, and I really like that. You can do it. You can do it. Because again, remember, trading is all a product of, you know, how much you're willing to put on the line, how many contracts you do, right? How many ES things you buy. You know, a small move with a lot of contracts equals a lot of money. You know what I'm doing because I'm with the scalping. God, I wasn't paying attention again. There was a trigger, but yeah, actually, look, there was a trigger that would have went long, and I would have got out already. Shit, would have popped on that one candle. Now it opened up, maybe. I'm really looking for it to. And that one didn't, but that's what I'm looking for. But that was close. I wasn't paying attention. See, there's so much crap we got going on in my damn head. I forget to look at that. Got 1 minute left. And since the scalping method is so new, I just forget sometimes to look for it because I'm focused on the other stuff. But you got to wait now. All right, so that's going to be our key levels, it looks like. So we're fine. Now, this is still running. But look at these ticks. They're not cooperating. This is maybe this day's whack because of the holiday. I don't know. Banks closed. All right. 98.75 market. Let's type it in our group. Okay. So be very careful right now. Be very careful. You know, I like to take a pop to the upside, but I'm not seeing the clues yet. They're selling off. That's fine. I typed it in our group, the key levels. I do want to go long, though, so I am going to go ahead and set up on the long. What was that? Oh, I am going to set up on that 84. Okay, 84. If we get it, I am looking to go long, okay, on the advanced. Right this second. Right this second. I'm going to pop up through with the signal. Okay, here we go. Come on. Ticks are flat. Even though the market's up right now, Dow Jones is still negative. Russell 2000, there's no sustained movement. This is, again, just let the clues present themselves. If they don't, we don't mess around. I'm watching this move to the upside, though. I would like to go long. I need to zoom in a little bit on that 1 minute, right? Right now, the aggressive, don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Again, it might be a whack day, guys. Because, again, this is going up, but I mean, the ticks are starting to pick up a little bit. 345. The fuck is all this noise, man? I got this. These little things just keep making noise, dude. Shit. All right, you can go ahead and erase it. It draws it. All right, so you don't have to draw it anymore. It's going to extend throughout the whole day. That's important. Same with these. These key levels are activated for the whole day. The whole aggressive strategy depends on that. I am watching something because they did. I would have went short. It didn't gap, but I was, again, based on what I'm looking at, I would have went short. Damn it. I wasn't paying attention again. Because maybe it doesn't need to gap. Equal or gap, because that's twice that's happened. I would have went short right there. I just missed it. I would have went short right there. Shit. Okay. Do you see it? Maybe it does not have to gap. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna go short. I should. I would have went short. Damn it. Well, good to know. So right now I would be in it short. But again, I keep missing it. There's too many things to look at. This might end up being a trap up here. Damn it. I would have went short. It's okay. Plenty of opportunities, right? Everything else is pretty tricky right now, guys. It's good to know. I don't know how much that would have paid. Probably about, again, these scalping only pays a couple cents, you know. It's not like it pays a lot. It made 3-5 cents. That's it on the option. Not a lot. But depending on how many contracts you do, that can be a lot. And again, that was twice. So let's keep watching here. We have us a trap up here to the upside. But again, as far as the aggressive, we're still trapped. Let's mark this level. Let's mark this level. Blue. If I was in the scalp still, I'd probably be in it still. Had a boy? 10 cents? Damn, that was perfect. I would be in this still. Okay. But I'll tell you, Jeff said he got 10 cents. That's all that I would have probably went for as well. Well, no, let me back up. I am going for 20 cents, but I'm going to manually get out. Charles. Charles is done for the day. We're not. You are not done for the day. We have to continue to work. Okay? We are not done for the day. There's too many things happening right now. I might be looking to go long. Yeah, I like that. That was good. I would have, I'd definitely be getting out. If I wasn't out already, I'd be getting out already, for sure. Bam, okay, okay. Stop going in and out, bud. All right. I'm liking this. I might be going long here. All right, so I am going to go long on the 84s. I'm going to go long on the 84s. This is the aggressive. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, cool. There we go. So I'm long on the aggressive at 84, right? I think I said 84. I don't remember. Remember, it's aggressive because we're trying to anticipate that it's going to break. I am watching. Okay? That's what I'm watching. And remember, you might have to take a couple shots. That's the way it worked last time, a couple shots. But if you're going to take your shot, you take your shot where you have the best reward to risk. And I will look to add to this trade as well. Okay. I'll add to this trade on the scalp, right? I might have too much stuff going on, but I will be willing to add to this trade. No, I won't. I didn't add. Okay, that's fine. Still, I'm in it long, but let's see. I will add to this trade. Right now, I'm long the aggressive. I'm shooting for 20 cents. That's what I'm shooting for. That's it. 20 cents. That's a big one. I'd like to see it pop up through there. So I would like to add to this trade if necessary. Okay. Just a lot of patience. I like that. I like to see us get a pop through the up. We are picking up on the ticks. So that's good. And again, I already told you when I'm getting out. But what I am going to be doing, guys, is I'm just going to be doing one contract on the new methodologies until I got a good handle. I want to develop the reward to risk. I want to get a good idea of when you lose, this is how much you lose. And when you win, this is how much you win. That's going to be huge. We can always scale up later, and that's not a problem. But this is what we have to do. Okay? First trade for me was the aggressive. That was my first trade. Not doing nothing, but that's okay. I'm staying with it. And I'm not looking at the P&L. I am willing to do a scalp on top of this. Which means basically I'll be like adding to this trade pretty much. I will be looking to add to this trade. This is kind of, I hope this doesn't get myself confused, right? It looks good. And I just hope I don't get confused. Adding to it with the scalp. We'll see. We haven't done it yet. I'm watching. Yeah, I won't be adding to it. I'm just going to leave it what I got, okay? I won't be adding to it. I'll be leaving what I got. Not getting any action. We haven't even popped up through the range. Well, I don't know. I hope you're wrong, Charles, but I hope you're wrong, my man. It's not doing nothing, though. Would love to see some action. Because it ain't doing nothing. But, I mean, I'm staying in the trade. I will stay in that trade until what I typed in the chat happens. Period. Or I hit my target. Period. That's it. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. That is what it is. Regardless. I don't like the action at all. I don't care. I hate the action, but I'm not going to get out. Period. No matter what. We got to clear that 975. Right now, it's just doing nothing. So I will be scalping in the middle of this if we get an opportunity. I will scalp. I'll just keep scalping, right? Man. This is doing nothing. Maybe again. I don't know, man. Maybe it's just a wag day, right? Because of the holiday. But again, I'm just going to stay with the plan no matter what. I only did one contract because I'm going to get I got to get a good feel. But, just looking at it, though, they're giving me some conflicting signals, right? I still think this is going to go up. And I will scalp. If we get a signal, I'm going to add to this trade. But, well, I'm not going to add to it. I'll just do a scalping trade on top of it. And I'm going to be looking still in the scalp, probably at that 84. I will stay in this sumbitch as long as it takes. Okay? Not doing nothing, though. Yet. I'm going to start marketing in our journal today. I'm going to start building the aggressive trading journal. Now that we kind of got these rules set, I'm going to start keeping track of that so we can see how that's going to do. And I'm only doing one contract. I'm telling you, I'm doing one contract. And that's what I'm going to do. We're going to use the journal and we're going to start mapping it out. Okay. I'm going to get a brand new trading journal starting today. Specifically for the aggressive only. I am going to figure it out. But I would love to add to this trade on either the scalping or the aggressive. I mean, the advanced. We got so much shit, dude. Right now, just watching. I'm in this trade. I'm not getting out until my signal is met. Period. And today, I'm going to map it out in the trading journal today. We're starting today. Brand new. We're going to map out these aggressive trades, and we're going to see, we're going to get our numbers down. That's the only way. I like this. We're picking back up. All right. Again, I've told you, I'm not getting out. So still out. So as far as the advanced, I'm looking for setups 2 through 4. If we can pop through that area, okay? That's it. On the scalp, I'm willing to do that, but I would love to get through this area and start going higher. Dow Jones is positive, so that's good. Russell 2000 is positive. Ticks aren't doing too much, but I am staying in this trade. I didn't even look at my P&L, because if I would have looked at my P&L, I probably would have dumped it just based on emotion. But I'm not doing that. I actually got my P&L covered, so that way I don't even look at it. I don't even want to see it at all. I got a hard target at 20 cents. All right, I do like that close. All right, picking up. See if we can get some pop up through here. I'd love to see that. Love to see that if it were to happen. Is anybody in this trade with me? Or did you get scared based on your P&L and jump out when you should not have jumped out? Be honest. Okay, good. I'm not getting out. I'm telling you right now, I'm not getting out. That's my exits, period. If I'm still in this trade when our options class is over, then I just dump it no matter what. That's kind of my rule. I'm going to stay in this trade from a technical standpoint, or I exit based on time. Because again, come on, man. It's not even asking for much, dude. We just need a couple good pops, right? But that's the way I'm going to do it, man. Got to be consistent. Right, but I would love to take an aggressive shot. I mean, an advanced shot if we get it. Okay. Not looking at any P&L at all. I got a hard target at 20 cents. It is what it is. If we get a couple good candles, we might get that. All right. Popping up through there. That's good. If we can get a couple candles, we might hit it. I don't know. I'm not looking at it, so I'll hear it. If it happens for some miracle, I'll hear the noise, and then I'll go look, because I got a hard target set. Ticks are picking up. Everything's looking good. Just back off. I don't care. Just back off. We're at my key level, though. I would love to see us pop through that level. Market's up 39. Just kind of drifting our way. We did close above that, but again, I'm not doing nothing. I would love to see it kind of get going and maybe pull back. Use that as an add point. Here's the deal, though. Let me put it in the chat. This is important. That's important. Read what I put, okay? Read what I put. That is definitely one of my exits. Not looking at the P&L, but that is a rule of mine. Everybody good so far? We're just waiting. I'm in this trade. I ain't going nowhere yet. Love to add to this son of a bitch. See, I like the ones that just go up and clip you. These just kind of dancing around, they give you like anxiety. But I'm staying in it. Come on, baby. Come on. Love for this to give us one strong white candle. This is really testing our patience. I can tell you that right now. Testing our patience. Testing our patience. Staying in it, though, but I'm not liking what I'm seeing. This has been a long fucking trade. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Damn it. Keeps pushing through there, huh? I don't care. I'm staying in it. This sucks. This fucking sucks, bro. Shit. This will test your patience for sure. If I was looking at the P&L right now, I'd probably be fucking dumping that shit, but I'm not. I can't do it. Can't do it. I'm pretty sure we need one big or two big white candles, and that should do it. Ticks are picking up. That's good. That's positive. Right? Come on, man. Come on, baby. Let me hear that noise. Let me hear that noise. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Keep going. One big push. Come on. All right. Another big push, my friends. Come on, baby. Got it. Bam. Fuck yeah. Plus 20, baby. Woo! Plus 20. Bam. That a boy. Who got that? Who got that? Plus 20. That was a beauty. Come on, man. I'm not the only one that did that. Boom. That was patience. Way to go, guys. All right. I'm out of that trade. Plus 20. That is a good start, right? Okay. All right. So, shit. There you go. There you go. Anybody get it? I mean, get it? We got our 20. It literally went up. Got me sold off a little bit, but it's right there. 20. I got in at 43, got out at 63. Period. Another, hey, that's okay. That's your rule, brother. 10 cents is 10 cents, my man. And you know what? After testing this and testing it, that might be the route. But you got 10 cents and I mean, come on. It's beautiful. I mean, look, it just went up to 60 cents. So Well, I mean, not 60. It went up to about 65, 66 cents. But look at this, guys. We were about as patient as it gets. That is huge. Plus 20. I'll take it. All right. So what I would like to see is this number 2 setup to go long. So now I'm out of the aggressive for the time being. We're way away from that key area. I've already got 20. So now I'm going to be looking to trade the advanced only. Okay? That's where I'm at. The aggressive, right now, you're done. You're done. You're done with the aggressive. It won. Took one shot, one win. Period. Bam. Plus 20. That's huge, by the way. We got to know our numbers, right? We got to know our numbers. And that was tricky because right in this area, if I would have looked at that P&L, I'm pretty sure I would have dumped it. Probably. Knowing me, I mean, look, I would have dumped it. I'm pretty sure I would have. Yeah, it's going up. It's nice. Everybody see why we took this trade? As far as the exit, I mean, it was simple. You just set I set a hard target. That's it. Now, I would have manually dumped it. Okay, I was watching extensively right in this area. Okay, I was ready to manually dump it, but I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't. It was easy too. I mean, anybody else take it besides me and Jello? That was like a slant. You got to take the trade. If you're going to trade the aggressive, you got to take every single shot you get. You can't pick and choose. You don't have a crystal ball. You can't pick and choose because, you think one might be the winner. If you get the setup, you take it. That's it. You got to take every single trade if it meets your criteria. You cannot superimpose your will thinking this is not going to work. I'll wait for the one that works. That was the perfect shot. 909, right? That's when we entered. But now that trade took a lot longer than I wanted to. But looking at the amount, but looking at it right now, I mean, it's floating around that 20 cents still. Okay, you can always get in on a scalp. You can always get in on the aggressive. So I like the plus 20 because I have other ways to enter into the trade. Close black, that doesn't count. Okay, yeah, we're just waiting. We're waiting for that pullback to test this key area to go long if everything else is cooperating. Who popped out of here? Mark, yeah. I think Mark's internet very rarely works. He can't talk too much. But that was such an easy slam dunk, guys. That trade was about as now, when I say easy, the entry, the emotion part, that kind of sucked. That took a lot longer than I wanted it to go. But I stayed with it. Market's up 42. Think about it. I mean, the more we do it, and again, I'm going to start in the trading journal today. That was going to be the first trade today. That is the aggressive trade. So this trading journal is going to be for the aggressive. And then I'm also going to have one for just scalping. I don't need to have one for the advanced because I already know that works. But we're biased up. But for as far as scalp, I'm willing to do a quick opposite scalp. Okay, we good? Andy, what's up?
Morning, boss.
What's going on? We just got plus 20. That's what I'm liking, brother. Just got plus
That's
20.
awesome.
Yes, sir, my friend. So here's what I'll probably do, guys. So I got me plus 20. Right now, I'm good with that. This is extended a ways. If you're going to get into this trade, look for the pullback or the number 4. So right here, if you're trading the advanced, you're looking for number 3 or number 4. Okay, we've already got plus 20. Like, there's no excuse for that. You can do the scalp, so you know the way it works on the scalp. I'm going to start the trading journal today. We took one trade today, one aggressive plus 20. And you know what? That's good. If you're going to trade in the afternoon, I would say between 12 and 1 o'clock. Or I'm sorry, about maybe between 12 and 1:30. But I always leave at 1 o'clock. Today's a little different because we have lunch with our kids. So I'm going to be going to the school. So I won't be able to trade in the afternoon. I mean, I'm doing options right now, but like as far as scalping, more than likely I won't be at the computer during that time, but I'm plus 20. That's good, right? Opportunities. So let's do this, my friends. So we are live right now on YouTube for members. If you want to join the live coaching class, right? That's what we're doing, where we teach the rules. You get the course. Okay, teach you how to day trade. Information should be in the description. If you're into option trading, I'm not going to do it live right now on the channel. I'm going to do it live today just in the members area. You can join us if you want to learn how to trade options. All right? We'll see you back here for the next live. For those of you in the university, hang tight. We'll do some talking. And then we're going to trade options.